Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Sling TV on Roku, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Roku device. Ensure your Roku is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Scroll to the streaming channels option and select it. In the channels menu, choose the search channels option. Use the on-screen keyboard to type in Sling TV. Select the Sling TV channel from the search results. Once the channel page loads, click on the Add Channel button. Wait for the channel to install, then select OK to continue. Return to the home screen by pressing the Home button again. Locate the Sling TV channel in your list of channels. Open the Sling TV app by selecting it. If you already have a Sling TV account, choose the Login option. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, select the Sign Up option. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account. Choose your desired subscription plan when prompted. Enter your payment information to complete the subscription process. Review your details and confirm your subscription. Once completed, you will be taken to the Sling TV home screen. You are now ready to start streaming your favorite shows on Sling TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.